Still inside of the summary.php file, which you'll find inside of the pages folder. We're going to start with the table tag. After table repeat, we're going to add this border class, so br_bd. Now if we scroll down a little bit after the for each loop, first of all, we're going to remove this if VAT rate is more than 0, because we will be displaying VAT regardless of whether the basically rate is 0 or not. It's just going to display basically 0%, and then obviously value will also be 0. But we're going to be displaying this all the time. And then we're going to start above the subtotal. We're going to start with the TR with the class raw highlight. And inside of this table row, we have table cell with call span 2, class br_td, basically for the border top dash. And inside of this, we're going to have italic, items total. And then next table cell td class ta_r for text being aligned to the right hand side, and then br border_top dashed as well. And inside of this one, again, inside of the italic tag, we're going to have our currency, so it's pound. And then we have echo, and we have number, format, object, basket, and we get subtotal. And then 2 decimal places, closing PHP and closing italic tag. After this, what we're going to do is to create another table row with the heading, call span 3 this time, and in between the opening and closing th tag, we're simply going to put shipping. And after this one, we're going to go for each loop, shipping as row, and we start with the table row. Inside of this table row, table cell call span 2, and then another one, td, this time class ta_r for text aligned to the right, and in the second one it's simply pound, and echo, number, format, and we have as raw, cost with 2 decimal places, and we close PHP tag. In the first one instead, we are going to have a label for shipping underscore and then echo s row ID, and then a closing label. Then we have input type radio, then we have name shipping, then we have ID shipping underscore, and again echo s row ID. And after ID we have value, which will be echo s row ID again. This time we have class shipping radio, and then we have echo s row ID, basically checking whether it should be selected or not. Then we have shipping default ID. So if the ID of the current record through which we are iterating obviously equals default ID, then display checked. So that's obviously going to make the radio button selected. Otherwise, display null. And then what we're going to do is close our input tag, and after this we're going to echo s row name of the given shipping method.